In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a microphone to a Nintendo Switch 2 here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To start, go ahead and open up Fall Guys and hit the plus button or the settings gear up in the top right corner and go to the audio section just like so, and just scroll down a little bit and find party voice chat and make sure that it is turned on. Also make sure that you hit the talk mode right here and set it to open mic and adjust the voice chat volume if needed. As soon as that's enabled, go ahead and back out of the settings. And there's a few different methods to do this. What you could do is use wired earbuds. I think these personally work the best and it's the easiest method because they actually come with a built-in microphone. Essentially just plug the 3.5mm headphone jack in at the top of the Switch and you'll be able to not only hear game audio but also talk to the party chat. If your earbuds do have an inline mute button, go ahead and just make sure that you're not muted as well. But if you have a wireless headset with a USB dongle, go ahead and just plug that dongle into the USB port on the Switch dock. To do this, just open up the back of the dock, plug the USB receiver into one of those USB slots, and connect your headset as normal. This method will only work when the Switch is docked though and connected to a TV or a monitor. But if you're playing on the go and you still want to use your USB headset, you just need to get a USB-C to USB adapter and plug the adapter into the bottom of the Switch and then plug your headset's USB dongle into that. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.